Day 3 on Mariner of this season. We woke up this morning with this adorable surprise in our room. I think it's a warbler. I'm not sure, but if you're a bird expert, please leave in a comment. What kind of bird is this? Well, all I know is he's pretty tired. Oh, look at that. Hello, buddy. Aw, he's super friendly. Yeah, go take another nap. Our little buddy is awake now and exploring the room. The door is wide open. I don't know why he's not leaving. Oh, there he goes. Not yet. I thought it was flying away, but it just got back in. And now it's hanging by the door. Probably gonna take another nap. Oh my god, now look at this. It landed on my hand. Now this is an unique moment. Oh my god, it's gonna take a nap on my hand. Oh, this is the most adorable thing ever. Exploring the room again. Please, little bird, don't poop on my pillow. Oh my god, it's gonna take another nap on my pillow now. I'm giving him lots of chances to fly away, but he just doesn't want to leave, so... It's alright, buddy. You don't want to go? You're not ready to go? Well, and like I said, the door is wide open, and he just feels comfortable right now, taking another nap on my hand for the third time. Isn't the most precious thing? I think at this point we're best buddies. He doesn't want to go. Let's cruise with Gugaandrob. He spent almost 3 hours with us and now he's wide awake. I think he's ready to go. Are you ready to go, buddy? Thinking about it? You don't want to leave your best friend Guga? Please don't go. Bye.